What's up everyone? This video would mainly be a comparison between this Chinese Bluetooth, this knockoffs will be there now, that Bluetooth device for the helmet, and the Sena SMH5 which like I said in the last video, I got it from my friend. So it will basically be a review or a difference between this Chinese knockoff and Sena, and why I upgraded to the Sena and not the higher end models. So like, you know what, all this 30k, 20k, 50k and all. I went with the basic model or the budget model, the SMH5. I'll tell you why I went only for the SMH5 and not the ones SMH10 or above that. Sena has 2 or 3 main categories which makes the upgraded models of the Sena more pricier, you can say. So one category is the mesh intercom. It is like, it's not a normal intercom. They say it is a mesh intercom technology wherein the connectivity will be even better. So that is one category. Second category is the range between the intercoms. So this SMH5 has a range of around 700 meters or so. So it's like if a bike is going 700 meters in front or behind you, you guys can still be connected via the intercom. But if it crosses the 700 meter mark, then the intercom will kind of get disconnected. This is where the pricier models come in picture. Like the next model will have 900 meters. The model next to that will have 1500 meters. So on and so forth. So the more upgraded models you take, the range will kind of increase a bit more. The third category is the number of users which can be connected via the intercom. This model has 2 users apart from me which can be connected via the intercom. So again, with the upgraded models, you can have 5, 7, 8, 9 people connected via the intercom. This usually works good in, big group rides as such, but I hardly do any group rides. If at all you have the money, go for the higher models. If you're looking for this, value for money type of an intercom, I believe the best bet is to start off from this and again upgrade as and when you require. So basically this is the one which I had. I believe this brand named ASG also, they take the same product and then they brand their logo or something as such. So hence I didn't go with the ASG. A couple of people did recommend that, but then I kind of did some research on that and I wasn't so kind of convinced about that product or the brand. Because what difference does it make if they take the same product and then just put in their brand logo and sell the same? So if I'm not happy with this product, I would obviously not be happy with the other one as well. So just to give a heads up, all these days I was riding with this Bluetooth and I've connected it. This also comes with a boom mic. I've basically this helmet is set up with this device. So I'll just play some music. I've connected it, so I'll just play it. So this is at full volume. Okay, so this is the output which I get inside the helmet. If you guys can hear, there is a sort of output I get. It will be heard again once the helmet is closed and all, it will be heard, but then once you cross this 60-70 kilometer speed, it just completely goes off, it fades away, or you can hardly hear anything. So again, it's pointless. I mean, if you're going on highways, obviously you will not be going at 60 or 70. You'll be somewhere in the range of 100 to 110, and at that time it will never be heard. I thought no point in keeping this, hence I took the SMH5. I'll do one thing, I'll install and then play music in that. Let's see what sort of output it gives. If anyone is going for this Bluetooth intercom for your helmets, I suggest not to go for this cheap Chinese knockoffs. Better go with a genuine one. Maybe it will be a bit expensive initially, but trust me, it will be worth it. I'll do the installation and then show you the output of the Sena. Let's see if there's a difference at all. So this is the SMH5. Here are some documents. It's a quick start guide. This will be very helpful in setting up your intercom, and I also happen to see a sheet. It says a quick start guide. I believe, yeah, this is the one. You guys can take a screenshot, maybe this will be helpful. I got dual products, one is for me and one is for my friend, and Yeah, this is the old knockoff which I had. So if you want to compare the size of these two, and immediately as soon as you pick it up, you can definitely notice the build quality. It's premium, and this is the size comparison. Pretty much the same in terms of length. Maybe it is a bit short here, but more bulkier here. This is evened out. Now that I've any which ways opened all the contents, I might as well show you guys what are all given and what are all its purposes. So this is one type of a mount which you get. This you can stick it to the side of your helmet, and this is just to hold your wires together. So this is the charging cable. This is another mount which goes again to the side of your helmet. They've given an Allen key to open this. So what it does is it this kind of splits up here, and then you can push it to the side of your helmet and then screw the Allen key. No need of any drilling as such. If you just tighten with the Allen key, it will be fixed to the side of your helmet. But the one drawback with this is I feel it is a bit heavy. I mean, helmets are any which ways heavy these days, and this will more or less add a bit more of weight. So I'm planning to just stick this and then mount the Sena here. This is the speakers. These are again some 3M stickers for the speakers. This is the boom mic sponge, and I have another one here. There are two, and this is the microphone. So this will be helpful when you have a full face helmet, and when you have a modular helmet, you will have to install the boom mic, because obviously this is a wired mic, and it cannot be fixed to a modular helmet. So in case if you have a full face, go with this. If you have a modular, go with that. So yeah, that's about it. These are all the contents. Since I've already done the unboxing, I've showed you all the contents. I might as well show you the installation also, so that if any of you guys had any questions or regarding any installation as such, it might be sorted in this. So basically what you do is you take the speakers, attach a velcro near the earpiece or near the ear pocket there. Suppose if you are mounting your Sena to your left, attach the shortest speaker, in the sense the shortest speaker wire here, and then the long one, and then this long one should go to the other side, and then you will have three cables like this. Three cables, as in two cables are for the speakers and then one is for the connector. I've already connected this. So I've connected the boom mic. Since this is a modular helmet, I need a boom mic. So this is about it. So you'll have to put in all the padding, stick the Sena mount anywhere you want. Make sure it isn't here, because it will interfere with the this visor thing. The installation is done. To power on the device, you'll have to press this and this together like 1 second, and it will power on. To connect the Bluetooth to your phone, so what you need to do is you'll have to press this jog dial and this for around 3 to 4 seconds. Then this will start blinking, and then once you switch on your Bluetooth, it will get connected automatically. So I'll just play some music, and that is the main thing I want to hear. Let's see how the output is. I mean, it's already much better than the previous one. Now, that's about it. That's the max volume we get. I hope you guys like this video, and if at all you watched this video till here, please do like this video and subscribe. And if at all you have any sort of doubts or queries, please do leave it in the comments. I'll definitely answer you guys. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.